Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Um, Today I'm going to be planting some seedlings. I've got red onions seedlings which I'm going to be planting in this tray. So firstly I'm going to take my potting soil and I'm going to fill the tray up with soil. Okay, so make sure you spread your soil out evenly so that each little section can get filled nice and easy. Wipe off any excess soil. All right, then for each one we make a little hole inside with your finger. That's where you're going to be placing your seeds. Okay, we're almost done. Right, once that's done, you take your seeds and we're going to be taking 3 seeds at a time. So I'm going to pour some seeds into my hands, and I'm going to be taking 3 seeds at a time, putting them in each square, each little section. Roughly about 3 seeds. Okay, and we are almost done here. As you can see, the little grey seeds filling up. All right. Just a little more. Then what's going to happen is we're going to put a last layer of soil on. One last layer of soil. And then to cover the seedlings up with. Guys, and now I'm going to be spraying. I've got a spray bottle which I'm going to use to water the seedlings with. You don't want to water them with a strong force of water, because what happens is it pushes the seedlings out. So I'm just going to do a fine spray on the seeds and the seedlings. And remember to keep your soil moist at all times, because if it becomes too dry, then the roots won't grow, the seedlings' roots dry out, and so you want to keep your soil moist throughout the day. And you also want to keep your tray in partial sun. So see how the tree from behind the camera is giving some shade, and the sun is actually filtering right through as well. So too much direct sun will also just kill the seedlings, burn them out. Right, and your seedlings should start germinating within 5 to 7 days, and you should start having some results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Goodbye.